Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So on this video, let's talk about how to create digital stickers in Canva and basically sell it on Etsy. I'm going to teach you right now, so please stick until the end and follow these steps. First thing, of course, we're going to create a design for this one, create that there, get the custom size, and make sure this is pixels. I'm going to go for 1000. I think that was 10,000, sorry about that. So by 1000 by 1000 and basically create a new design. Alright? Next up, I'm gonna go to File. I always do this one and make sure I'm gonna go for the one that says Settings and Show Rulers and Guides. You can have this one on by Shift R, and there we have it. We have the rulers and guides right now. So right now, we're gonna use a color palette. I'm gonna go back on the main page, make sure this is template. If you're not sure, not familiar with color palette, you can just basically ask Canva to give you some samples. Now, this are gonna be it, and I think I'm gonna go with this one. Now I'm going to click on customize this template. So it's going to open a new design, right? So you might be asking me, what are we going to do on our old one? What I'm going to do right now is basically copy everything as it is and go back on my design, add a new page. I think I'm going to go with this one. Give me a second here. Rather than this one, I'm going to go here. Perfect. Paste it right there and we have it. You can now remove the palette colors. So what we're going to do right now is we're just going to save this as a references. I'm going to use this one first. I like this color right here. I'm just going to copy it. Go to my design, paste it right there. Delete the hex code. So right now it's on my document, right? So what I can do right now is click on the background. Click on the color and look for the document colors, which is going to be, I think, it's going to be this one right here. And there we have it. Now delete the original sticker. Show this one right here. I'm just going to delete this one. If you cannot find it, you can just directly go to positions and you're going to see on layers. There's the one you're looking for. You can now quickly delete that one and you only have the color itself. I think we still have a text box here. There's nothing else but their color. Just save this one. If I'm going to add a new page, I'm just going to put this one at the end. Alright? Now right now I'm going to add a border by clicking R right there. I'm just going to place this one at the end. I'm just going to create a subtle border here. I think this should be good enough. Perfect. Just a little bit more. I think that's too big. There is going to be the guidelines I'm looking for. Now I'm just going to change the color here. I'm going to go for no color. I'm going to add this one and I'm going to click on a border right here. I'm going to change the color of the border. Right now I'm going to go for white. Oh, I'm sorry about that. I'm not meant to do that one. I'm going for this one. And there we have it. We have now a white border. Alright? Now what's next? We're just needing a quote or affirmations. So I'm going to go a new tab right there. Go to ChatGPT. This is actually free. And this one, I'm going to type in here, list or give me affirmations. Or give me affirmations around, let's go for 50. Let me just type in here 50. So it would be list or give me 50 affirmations about positive. I'm going to go for mindset here. Again, guys, this is my own perspective. If you have your own perspective, please do so. I'm going to go for between 3 to 5 sentences. And I think I should be good with that one. Alright, I'm just going to couple or type in here a few things. I think they're still a bit long. I'm going to type here, make them shorter. Make them shorter. I'm going to click this one right here, stop it, click on OK. I'm just going to ask it to make it shorter. I think I'm going to go with this one right here, response number 2. They're actually really good. So while it's generating, I'm going to click on the first one. Right there, go here, add a text box. Right there, paste it, and then basically for this one, choose a font that you like. I'm gonna go for Oswald because Oswald is actually really good here, and I think I'm just gonna expand it a little bit. Now it's gonna be depending on your design here, depending on your skill set. All right, I'm just gonna remain it as it is, and add a little, just a little touch of minimalistic design here. I'm gonna go for elements. I'm gonna go for star right there. And with this one, I'm going to go with that one right there. Just to blend the color. Make it just a little bit shorter or smaller. And I think I have it perfectly aligned for this one. Alright? So here's the thing. Are we going to generate everything just from moving forward? So I have a tip for you here. I'm going to go for applications. Right there. Right? Go for apps. I'm going to go type in bulk. Create. This is going to be the keyword or a secret I'm going to give you. So that will create right there. Enter data manually. So just clear the table. I'm going to copy this. Do not copy the first one anymore because we already got that one, right? And basically type in here, paste everything. Think I have it. Let me just clear everything one more time. Perfectly right there. All right. Now I'm going to click on done and wait for it to finish. I'll get back to you once it's here. Now right now, after enabling the data, select your text, right click and go for select data or connect data. I'm going to click empty one since I haven't named it just yet. And basically click on continue right now. And as you can see, we have everything. 49 because we already have one. Click on generate. And basically it's currently generating. I'm going to get back to you once it's here. So welcome back to the video. This is going to be it. So we have our designs there. And as you can see, we still have some blank pages. Because earlier we have a blank page and the reference page. So you can just delete this one moving forward and you're going to have those stickers. Alright? Just edit them a little bit. For example, this one right here. It removed the pages right there. Or it access the border just a little bit more. Or my tip for you here, so you don't want to edit anymore. In ChatGPT, make sure these sentences are shorter. Just 3 words. And that's it. So basically what's next here? I'm just going to delete a few things here, just like this one right here. Alright? Just give me a second. And by the way, a tip for you guys is that if you want to limit your editing time after you generate the bulk capture or bulk create, just basically make sure on ChatGPT you have around 3 to 5 words, or make sure just type in there, I just want 3 words, alright? So ChatGPT mistook and took literally, gave me some 5 words for others. 3 words for others. That's why I have some words or affirmations that excess the border, which is a little bit more frustrating because right now I'm still editing, right? Again, I'm going to get back to you once I'm done here. Perfect. Welcome back to the video. As you can see right here, everything here is a sticker from 1 to 49. I'm just going to remove this one right there. And as you can see right here, they're all perfect. There's nothing else to be edited. Just make sure everything is going to be within the border. For example, this one. It's almost there, but I'm going to remain as it is. So what's next? Since we have our stickers ready at the very last page, let me just go on the last page right there. Add a new one. We're going to enable right now our link. Alright? I'm just going to clear this one, change its color to a little bit more professional. And this one right here, I'm going to open up my Etsy account. This one right there. I'm going to go for my account right here. And basically make sure this is going to be the link that we're applying. Go right here. And basically go back on Canva. What we're doing right now is we're just enabling a new one, a new process to go to Etsy. I'm just going to type Etsy right there, add a hyperlink right here, perfectly right there. And now I'm going to go differently. As you can see right here, I have Etsy right there. I can now edit this one. Let me just clear the background a little bit more so I have some color. I think this one should do it. Or if you have your color palette still, but I'm going to remain as it is. And then basically add some designs here. For element, for example, I'm going to type in Etsy here. Or marketing right there. And basically add some offers, special offers, something like that. And just design it as you see fit. You can really, depending on your perspective, have your fun with it. For example, I'm going to add this one right now. And add some text. I'm going to go some subheading here. Thank you for your purchase. Something like that. And by the way, guys, it's really advisable that you add your PayPal link here, your Cash App link. So basically, your money will go directly to you every time they click your purchase. You can just edit this one. I'm going to add some effects here for purposes. That's going to be the shadow. And I'm going to show you a little trick here. I'm going to add some shadow, right? I'm going to duplicate this one to make it more pop out. Make sure it's aligned. And I'm going to click on effects one more time for a different layer right there. I'm going to go right now for outline. I'm going to go for this one right here for white. And now it's popping out. All right. And that's it. Just a little bit more technique for you guys. So once that's done, click on share, click on download right there. And basically for this one, click on download, post it on your Etsy account, and you'll be good to go. You can also post it on Pinterest since you already have your Etsy link right here. And that's it. So thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Goodbye for now.